just starting this vlog off at 12:40 p.m. I have the usual routine. I have been up early, took a shower, did my makeup, my hair's natural today, and filmed an Amazon haul and a Shein haul, but then I decided to separate them. And I think because I'm doing that now, I'm gonna go ahead and do like the try-on part in that video too, but I need to film that. Putting on a movie. Not even gonna tell you guys which movie it is because I'm thoroughly embarrassed by the fact that I am still watching it over and over. If you know, comment it down below. Expose me. Here is the aftermath of what's been going on from filming. So I definitely want to get this cleaned up. So let's do that. decided to go jogging at the last minute. It's technically my day to do my workout, but for a minute I thought I wasn't going to, basically. And I'm actually gonna wear leggings today. Haven't worn leggings in a while. My back is feeling wonky again, you guys. Remember when I was experiencing that really bad back pain? It definitely has to be some type of like potassium deficiency or something that I think is causing like these Charlie horses in my back. Or it's like a pinched nerve of some sort, but it's right here on this right side. Oh my god. And I probably shouldn't be running on concrete. I'm super intelligent here on this channel, and I also don't like wearing shoes on the carpet. I'm breaking all kinds of rules today. Okay, I'm gonna go. Wish me luck.
Literally could not have guessed those signs better than that. An Aries and a Scorpio, that makes so much. So,
I mean, we can't even understand really this whole situation if you think about it. Like,
yeah,
neither of us have been in like an abusive relationship or had.
And we've been together since we were 17. To be scared of I've never been scared of a guy ever, and that's really, really rare.
Or just like ever. Gordon said that they
too.
Yeah, they remember seeing bruises all over her arms.
Oh yeah, that too. But yeah, but a lot of women just like came forward just saying that they've gone through similar things. They just feel like.
As I was editing this video, I realized that I really wasn't doing too much talking towards the end here, so I thought I'd jump in and accompany you guys with me to Tuesday morning. So that is where I'm at. I know some of these clips are kind of like choppy here and there, but yeah, so I found a new Tuesday morning location and I scored some deals. The haul will be on my main channel, but this is the shop with me portion of that you're not going to see on my main channel. So I'm just looking at all the cute mugs, and of course you know I wanted them. I actually surprised myself by walking out of there without one, especially that cute giraffe one. So unique. I love this store. Really some great prices and some really great finds, so definitely tune in. I think the haul is going to be Tuesday, and I think this vlog is going up Monday. So the first time that, I guess a video is coming after a vlog, if you will. But anyway, yeah, so look at these adorable cookie jars too, by the way. I didn't buy any just because I really don't know right now how I'm doing the main part of my kitchen, so I'm trying to steer clear from, from some of these items so that when I'm ready, I know what to go for. Also, I found these little gift bows, and this packaging was super adorable. You guys know I love some gift bows, but they're no Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree has some bomb, and I just said that, some bomb gift bows. But I will say the gift bags here were so adorable. I hope that I caught a good portion of them. But what is it with me and gift bags and all this stuff all the time? But yeah, so I'm just sitting here kind of going through the store, looking at some more stuff. I'm actually going to go back to the same store a little bit later on because there was just so much. And I really wasn't planning on being out that long when I was originally filming this. I actually didn't even know I was going to stop at Tuesday morning. I just happened to see a store, and I was like, oh, you know what, let me go in there and kind of see. And I was so pleasantly surprised to find how nice it was. But anyways, that's basically it. Then I go home, and another weird clip, but I decided to change out my wax melts. So this is how I do it. I soak up the previous one with cotton balls. It's the easiest way that I've seen to do it. You can re-pour it back into the packaging so that you can save it, but they don't usually smell as strong. Because I burn my one little wax melt for so long that I just feel like I burn out all the smell. I don't even know if that's possible, but I feel like I just get used to it. So anyways, I'm popping in vanilla caramel, and that's the end of this vlog. I'll see you guys next time.